I'm Claudia Smith, I'm the Coastal Ranger for Denbighshire Countryside Service and I work with the rest of the North team at Nghronant. We're setting up for our little tern season today. Basically the little terns, they arrive here in May time, end of April, early May, to breed here at Nghronant, and they travel all the way from Africa where they spend the winter, and they'll arrive and they'll be using the shingle behind us to breed. Nghronant's a SSSI, Site of Special Scientific Interest, so we bring all of the equipment onto site at the start of the year and then we take it off site at the end of the season because we've got a no trace policy. We've got some electric fence pens being constructed at the minute, so you see the volunteers behind us there constructing the electric fencing. We've also got the outer rope fence which directs the public for where to go. So the electric fencing protects the little terns while they're nesting, because they nest on the shingle here and their nests are really well camouflaged, so we don't want someone accidentally disturbing them and want to protect them from predators as well. The volunteers are really handy for helping us set up. It always takes quite a lot of hands to get all of this set up, so the volunteers are really handy, and we work closely with North Wales Little Tern Group, who are a volunteer group who are based down here. The visitor centre is open to the public from early May. There'll be a warden on site every day, and the public can come down and have a look at the little terns from the visitor centre. So we just ask that people come through the entrance on the dune side and come and chat to the little tern ones, and they can have a look. And then we've also got a hide going to be set up as well, so they can view them safely from there. We welcome school groups down at Nghronant. We've had quite a few school groups last year and we're hoping to do the same this year, and same with volunteer groups. We had quite a few walking groups last year, so if people want to get in contact with me, I can book in a visit.